guys, what is up? Brennan here, aka Brenbo, bring you guys a video. It's been quite a while, I would say. Probably because I told you guys last time I made a video, I was selling the Cobra to get something that everyone wants. And that was going to be a GTR. I was going to literally save all winter, sell this car, and buy a GTR. And I thought about it for a long time. I was also considering other cars and just building them like crazy. And I came to the conclusion, like, I have a monster of a car. This car is very sought after. It makes great power. It sounds amazing. And it's the Terminator. It's a legend in the Mustang world. So why would I just not upgrade this car and make it amazing? And I already have it. Super low miles, rare color. Why did I ever think of selling this car? I don't know. But today, we are bringing back the car. And I'm gonna name this version 2 of the Cobra. Even though I didn't really do a ton to it the first time, it's gonna be version 2. And to bring it back, I'm doing something super small, and that's LED fog lights. As you guys know, I did custom headlights on it already, basically just clear side markers, and I put LED switchback turn signals. I still have stock headlight bulbs and stock fog lights. So I'll do the fog lights today, and I'll come back and do the headlights another day. But just slowly making it more LED. I did do the interior LED, the license plate lights LED, and the reverse lights LED. Just because every light on this car is obviously yellow because it's from 2003. And my boys at SW Lights hooked me up with some LED fog light bulbs. They are the ones that also sent me the reverse and license plate bulbs. So hooking up once again with the fog light bulbs, I'll link them down below. And you guys can check out their products. They make amazing products for all Mustangs, and they're high quality. Because I ordered some other fog light bulbs, and I was about to put those in, and then SW Lights hooked me up, and then I compared the two, and these are way better quality, let me tell you. And the other brand I got, I'm not gonna mention, but it's a super reputable brand, and a lot of people run them. So as you guys can see, any bulb basically, it's just one plug, super easy. Just undo a clip or a lock that holds that plug in, and you undo it. And since this car is 2003, it doesn't have underbody shield, so you can just jack it up and switch out the bulbs. Fog light bulbs are right there when you lift up the car. So I'm gonna get to that. And I hope you guys like this intro because I tried to spend a little bit more time with version 2 of this car. I'm gonna try to spend more time on my videos and make them more professional because I'm falling behind on YouTube, I feel, and I need to really step it up. So let's get to the installation. So here is under the car, as you can see the engine and everything right there. And what Ford does is they put this hole right here, and right there is the fog light. It's kind of dark, you probably can't see it that well, but it's like that on each side, there's little cutouts. And you just unplug the connector, spin it out, spin the new one in, and put the connector in. It's that easy. So it's really hard to record, so I'm just gonna put the new ones in and then show you. So here is the new to the old. Obviously the new one has the LED strips on each side of it. The old one is just like a regular light bulb you would find in your house or whatever. But the brand is Sylvania, and I'm not sure if this is actually a stock bulb or not. It doesn't look that old. So if someone knows that this is stock or not, let me know down below in the comments. So literally 5 minutes later, and voila. LED fog lights. It changes the look of the car dramatically because yellow is super ugly, especially with nowadays standards. And this makes some cool pictures right here. If you just turn the running lights on, which is basically the blinkers, which is the orange, and then the fog lights, that's without the headlights. I think that would make some cool pictures. So I'm probably gonna take some Instagram pictures like this in the future. So now the car looks just that much better and is getting up there for version 2. So now I just gotta get the upgraded LED headlights. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Super short because it was a super easy installation. It was just a plug and play, and it's right there in front of your face when you lift up the car. But my car is super low, especially with the lip, so I can't get under it. If you have a stock suspension, no lip Cobra, I think you can get to them pretty easy. I don't think you might not have to jack up the car, I'm not sure. But super easy, like I said. I always say this is one of the easiest installations when I make a video, but I would say this is probably the easiest installation so far of the channel. I think lighting is one of the most eye-catching mods, and especially for the price. These fog lights, super cheap, and when you turn them on, everyone knows because it's a bright white. Especially with photos, it can make a photo you take completely different if you turn the fog lights on when you take the picture, or just any lights in general. So lights are a huge factor in my opinion, and when you make something from yellow to white like that, it's just a dramatic change in appearance of the car, I think. So, hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know down in the comments below what I should do to the car for version 2, because I want to go full out, one of the best Cobras on YouTube and on Instagram. I know that's very hard, gonna take a lot of time, but I'm ready to do it. And I'm committed. So, if you guys enjoyed the video, drop a thumbs up and hit the bell button, subscribe, so you see the awesome other things coming for version 2 of the car. Once again, big shout out to SW Lights for hooking me up with the fog light bulbs. I'll put their link to the website in the description below. Check out their products. They have about any light you can put on a Mustang, and they're all amazing, great quality. LED for sure, and really good prices compared to other companies that are bigger than them. They have better prices and their quality's better. So I guarantee you guys will be for sure satisfied with their product. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.